Now you can install the CapCut app on your computer. Then you can edit your video using the CapCut app from your computer, and the CapCut app will run smoothly on your computer. So this tutorial review will show you how to download and install CapCut for PC and laptop. So first of all, you have to open the Microsoft Store. Click on the search icon and type here Microsoft Store and open it. Once you are here, click on the search box and type here CapCut and search. And here you will get the official CapCut app. So click on install. And it may take some time to download it. So here we can see the CapCut file size is 537 megabyte. So from here we can download and install the CapCut app for PC and computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.